Hello YouTubers, once again this is Illuminati 242 coming at you with just a short update on my CCNP journey. This week I got all of my lab equipment in finally after about 2 weeks break of shipping. Finally got everything set up, got all my, I think I got 4 routers, 1 frame relay router, 3 other 2611 routers. I think I have 2 3550 switches, or 3 3550 switches, and a 2511 access router configured for my CCNP labs. This week started the eigrp labs, and I must say last night I realized the benefit of actually having lab equipment versus a simulator or something like that, because with the actual equipment you really get more hands-on, like in terms of troubleshooting with the equipment and discovering how to fix problems and stuff, like for real world applications versus the simulator. I set up my equipment for frame relay, 3 routers routed into the frame relay switch, and I followed the configurations to the T. And what I discovered was that there was an error in one of the configurations. I don't know if it was intentional, but there was an error. Basically, it was trying to put the bandwidth and the bandwidth on one of the routers. It was trying to set that to 64, but it should have been done on the frame relay side. Now, I don't know if the error was intentional in order to make you think through the process so you could discover the problem on your own, but it was definitely beneficial in terms of getting experience with the troubleshooting and actually knowing exactly what configurations to set up on the router and the commands to actually use, so you could see the different protocols and line status of the routers, so you could troubleshoot what the problem was, at least in my case. But everything's going fine so far. It's just a lot of experience. I'm actually trying to do this at home and on the job as well. With every spare moment, I have my system set up where I basically SSH'd into my computer lab at home, and the computer at home is connected to the equipment through the console port to the access router, and then the access router is connected to everything else via the octal cable that I purchased for it. So so far so good. Just gotta reconfigure the lab. I'm finished with the frame relay, so I'm gonna continue on with the eigrp series, and I'll probably try and shoot a video probably sometime tonight, actually me configuring the equipment for one of the final eigrp labs that I have to complete. So once again, this is Illuminati 242 saying keep up the study, and anybody out there trying to get their CCNP, CCNA, or even the CCIE, if anybody out there is big dogging it right now. I'm gonna get there eventually. I'll soon be there with you. But this is just a short video blog of my CCNP studies / practical lab experience. on my way to my first CCNP exam, which is the CCNP Route. So this is Illuminati 242 once again signing out. Until next video, everybody, good luck on your studies, and remember, ain't nothing in this life for free. If you want anything, you gotta work hard for it. Signing out, Illuminati 242. See you.